You just gotten your first paycheck, and it feels amazing. But do you know exactly what to do with that money? A lot of young people make mistakes right from this very first step. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to handle your first paycheck smartly, from taxes and saving to spending. The first thing you need to understand is that your net pay isn't the big number you first see. Taxes will be deducted. The most common taxes in the U.S. you need to know about are federal income tax, state tax, and Social Security and Medicare contributions. How do you know how much you're paying? It's simple. When you get your pay stub, look for the deductions section. You'll see all the taxes subtracted there. Don't worry too much about it. Just focus on the final number you actually receive after all the deductions. This is where you create a spending plan. The 50/30/20 method is a great way to start. 50% for your essentials, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% for your wants, eating out, movies, shopping. 20% is the most important part, for saving or paying off debt. I'm not good at math. Don't worry. You can use apps like Mint or Inab. You need a budget. They automatically connect to your bank account and categorize your spending. This helps you control everything automatically without having to manually track anything. How much should I save? Set a small initial goal. For example, just save $50 to $100 from each paycheck. Once you get used to it, you can gradually increase that number. Once you have a budget, it's time to start saving. Your initial goal should be to build an emergency fund. This fund should have enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case you lose your job. After that, you can start thinking about investing. I don't have enough money to invest. This is a big misconception. You can start investing with just $5 or $10 through apps like Acorns or Fidelity. These apps let you buy into index funds, ETFs, with very small amounts of money. Remember, starting early is more important than the amount you invest. Where should I invest safely? For beginners, I always recommend starting with index funds, ETFs, that track the S&P 500. This is a safe and effective way to invest without having to worry too much. Are you ready to manage your paycheck smartly? Let me know in the comments which piece of advice you'll apply. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos from Gen Z Money Talks.